Hey y'all, welcome to Man Scouts, where we explore nature. Oh man, where are my things? Darn it, nature, you got me again. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. I guess you're back for more Man Scout content. Get ready, we're about to explore. Darn it! We're about to explore more nature! We're back with another pro tip. When you're out in the woods all alone, you gotta know how to light a fire. Fire can keep your morale up and it can keep you warm in those cold winter nights. So I'm gonna teach you how to light one right now. The way I light a fire is very simple, but you should still know how to do it. You see, step 1, reach into your pocket. Step 2, light a fire. Alright, Man Scouts, sometimes your lighter doesn't work, but if you try hard enough, it sure will. Now this is how Instructor Buck lights a fire. You're welcome for another pro tip. Hey there, Man Scouts, Instructor Buck's back with one more pro tip for you. When you're out in nature, you always gotta be vigilant of wildlife. Wildlife can really sneak up on you, and they come in many forms, dangerous, passive, many types of wildlife out here. So be like me. Always vigilant of your surroundings. Nothing ever sneaks up on me. Instructor Buck out. Alright, Man Scouts, that's all I got for you today. So remember, get out there, get in nature, and enjoy God's creation. I'll see you next time. Alright, Man Scouts, I forgot one bit of information. Make sure that when you're out there, you're always vigilant. Mother Nature, it'll sneak up on you. Oh my gosh! Whoa!